So we've got a split saddle. So first off, we want to run our knife down here and take this fillet out. We're going to fold that back into it. Then we want to turn it over here, push that out. So we've got this bone running in along here, go in on the side. You just want to be really gentle with your knife here, letting the knife do the work. Just opening that up. Just got these little wee knuckle bones that stick out. So we just want to go on the inside of those. Keep that bone for later. Add it into your sauce. Alright, so now we've got the bone out of that. There's a bit of fat in here that we want to remove. We'll take out any of these little bits. We'll put a little cut down here. I just want to trim this fat cap up. And then we want to go in to this side, and this is a part that some of them will have quite a cap on here. And you can sort of trim right down. We want to get into that meat there. You've got to be careful you don't go too far down, or else you'll leave yourself a bit exposed with no tail to form the roll. Score this fat. The reason for that is it helps with the rendering process, makes it easier to get it crispy. And I'm rolling this today, but it looks, so you won't see it, but it looks really good for presentation too. So even if you're doing lamb rack, you do the same process. It's a nice score on that. Trim that up. That side's looking really good. Again, this side was where it was hard up against the bone, so there's a really firm piece of cartilage down there that we want to remove. And again, we are working with the loin, so you don't have to do much trimming, but we just want to take a little bit of the silver skin off here. Again, we just want to remove that chain. We can save that for scraps. And as you can see with this loin, you got one end is thicker than the other, and same with the eye fillet. The eye fillet, one end's thicker than the other, so we want to turn that around so we get a nice even noisette and roll when we're cooking it. So put the thick end at that end. So I'll leave that like that. Now this is ready to get our stuffing in there.